Welcome to Tabs Tuesday. Today I'm doing the third, I think it's the third page one. Yeah, it's the third page out of my blues book. It's called Flat 5 Scale. It's an F blues, that's what I was talking to you about, F7. I will try to hold it steady. You could take a picture of it so you could refer to it on your own computer or phone. I hope you're not looking at your phone. And if you would like the book, it can be yours for the small fee of $10 sent to my, you can put it in my tip jar or PayPal. The links are in the description. This is the complete book. I've had a number of students buy them, and some patrons on YouTube also. They like the book. It's very thorough. I haven't developed a course for it yet. There's actually 50 plus blues songs for all levels of players in here. They all are they're all tabbed. If you send me the money, I'll send you the PDF. And if you don't want it, eventually you'll get the whole thing by watching the videos. So up the flat 5 scale is literally taking the F minor pentatonic scale down here, box number 1, putting the flat 5th in, which is, this is the 5th, C. We're putting in that note. It's called the blue note or the Diablo note. And the riff actually goes all 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's the riff. Very simple. You're going to take it through the progression of a 12-bar blues, a simple one. You do F 4 times. Up to B flat at fret 6. Back to F at fret 1. Again, up to fret 8 at C. Sorry, I messed up a little. B flat. And the end to turn around is. So that's it, straight ahead 12-bar blues in F7. I don't have any chords underneath it or in my looper to play with, but I do have on a drum and a synth, just a bass note part, and I'm going to put it on and play you that to it. This is at 90 beats per minute, so it's probably slower than what I just did. Let me just show you once with this 3. It's going to start on beat 1.